maize is also known as corn. It was originated in Latin America. It is the staple food of Latin. It was grown by Aztecs and Incas, who are basically from Mexico. It gives high yield per hectare. It was later introduced by Christopher Columbus. The countries producing maize are India, USA, China, and many more. It is used to feed pigs and cattle. Maize that needs moderate temperature, undulating relief, moderate rainfall about 50 cm to 100 cm, well-drained, deep and fertile soil. And USA is the largest producer of maize. So now let me ask you some questions. What is maize also known as? Adit?
Corn.
Yeah, it's the right answer. Now second question. Where was maize originated? Khushi Jain? Yes, it's the correct answer. Third question. List the factors important for the growth of maize. Bhavya.
Moderate temperature, moderate rainfall from 50 cm to 100 cm, well-drained, deep and fertile soil, and undulating relief.
Yeah. Now name the countries producing maize. Yes, Dharya.
India, USA, and China.
Yes, it's the right answer. Now the last question. Name the largest producer of maize. Yes, Yash. USA. Yeah, it's the right answer. So now I would like to call my friend to just tell you about millet.
Now I will tell you about millet. Here are some photos of millet. It is sorghum, bajra, jowar, and it is the plant. Coarse grain like jowar, bajra, ragi, and sorghum are called millets. These grains have low nutritional value. These crops are grown in areas of high temperature, low rainfall, less fertile land, and sandy soil. The suitable place for millet cultivation is semi-arid part of tropical and subtropical region. Main millet producing countries are India, USA, Brazil, Egypt, Nigeria, and Niger. Millet is used as fodder for domestic animals in USA. Now some questions. Name some of the millet. Yes, Anna.
Bajra, jowar, ragi, and sorghum.
Yes, it is the correct answer. What are millet? Guess they.
The grains which have low nutritional value.
Yes, it is correct. What is the suitable place for these crops? Yes, where?
Semi-arid parts of tropical and subtropical areas.
Yes, it is correct. Name some of the producing countries. Yes, Ashwin.
India, USA, China, Niger, Nigeria.
Yes, it is the right answer. Thank you.
Present on the topic sugarcane. Sugarcane, it's a kind of grass. Sugar is stored in the stem of sugar cane. It grows up to the height of 3 meters or more than that. Conditions needed to grow are hot and humid climate, fertile soil, level land. New sugarcane plants are grown by the stem cutting of the old sugarcanes. The main producing countries are India, Brazil, Indonesia, Cuba, Mexico, USA, Australia, South Africa. Sugarcane is almost grown everywhere in tropical and subtropical regions.
Thank you.
Now I will ask you some questions. Conditions need to grow sugarcane. They,
Hot and humid climate, fertile soil and level land.
yes, that's the correct answer. Height of the sugarcane plant. Yes, Shiva.
3 meter or more.
Yes, that's the right answer. New sugarcane plants are grown by the dash cutting of the old ones. Anjali Jain.
Stamp.
Yes. The main producing countries are Dharamveer.
Mexico, Australia, USA.
Yes. Now my friend Karina will present on the topic cotton.
Today I am going to give you some information on cotton. Cotton is a soft and fluffy fiber. Cotton is how is cotton formed? Cotton is grown in a bowl. Then they are first grown as a plant in a small farm. Then they are converted into cotton fibers. Cotton fibers are then by a process known as twisting. They are turned into yarns. Yarns we can also say is a kind of thread. They are converted into weaved cottons by the kind of weaving process. Then they are converted into grey fiber, which we can also say a ready material, which is afterwards used to stitch clothes like shirts and t-shirts. After stitching the shirts and t-shirts, they are also given out for finishing. Cotton plants need high temperature about 27 degrees Celsius during the growing period, rainfall about 60 centimeter and 100 centimeter in the frequent showers, fertile and well-drained soil which is capable of retaining moisture, dry, clear and sunny weather during the period of ripening. Cotton was first cultivated during the period of Indus Valley civilization. Cotton is the main raw material for the cotton textile industry. It is most widely used fiber which is used to make cloth. Cotton are usually grown as annual crop. Quality of raw cotton depends on its length of fiber, its fineness, luster, softness, color and clearness. The main country producing cotton are USA, China. In India, the cotton are grown in small farms. Machines have limited use in their farms. In USA, cottons are grown on large estates and machineries have widely used. These are the pics of cotton farm and cotton material. The things which are produced by cotton are saris, mats, t-shirts, bed sheets, ladies' dresses, and etc. Now I am going to ask you questions on my topic cotton. When was cotton first cultivated? Shivam?
During the period of Indus Valley civilization.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. For which industry cotton is the main raw material? There.
Cotton textile industry.
Yes, it's the right answer. On what quality of raw depends on? Anish.
Fineness, color and softness.
Yeah. Which are the main producing countries of cotton? Yes.
India, Pakistan, USA, China.
Yes, very perfect. What are the needs of cotton plants to grow? Archana?
High temperature about 27 degrees Celsius, fertile soil, rainfall.
That's the correct answer. In USA, cotton are grown on dash and dash is widely used.
They are grown on large estates and machines are widely used.
Thank you. Now my friend Archana is going to give you some information on topic 2.